Hello friends, welcome back. This is Manish Pandey. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to delete all the processed items, all the processed queue items. Processed item means all the items which has been marked as a completed or exception. So that can be deleted. And this delete processed item, this action can delete the processed item from all the queues available in your Blue Prism. So we can delete any specific queue also, the queue data, and we can delete all the queues data also. Let me show you. Let me delete all these things. Let me take one action stage, double click on that, select work queues and select delete processed item. So delete processed item will delete all the items which have been marked as a completed or exception. Now in the inputs we need to pass queue name, date, threshold and delete from queue. If we'll pass any specific queue name, so only data will be deleted from a specific queue name, this queue name. If we'll not pass anything, and here if we'll pass true, if we'll enter true here, so it will delete data from all queues. So let's say if we have two queues available here, so it will delete data from these two queues. Now let me enter one queue name. So queue name I am going to take, that is Q2, okay, and we are not going to pass here anything. This will be by default false because it will not delete from all the queues. Here we are passing queue name. Now in the outputs it will give you all the counts, how many records are deleted. So let's take one data item here. Now we are using this Q2, so we have 9 items that has been marked as exception. So we'll be getting here 9 records. Let me take here link so that we can link this. Now refresh, reset, right click, set next stage, and you can see we have 9 deletion count that has been deleted. Now let's go to the here, and you can see here now in the Q2 we don't have any records, we don't have any queue items because 9 items have been deleted from this queue, right? Now let's come here, double click on that. Now if we will not pass here anything and if we will just pass true, so it will delete item from all the queues. So currently you will see we have just this queue, we have 2 queues, but in this one we have data, but I am not specifying that I want to delete from this one. I am just passing as a true in delete all option. So it will take all the queues, so delete from all queues, right? So we are passing true here, so it will delete all the data from this queue also. So we have 24 records, so 24 records will be deleted, 9 marked as a completed and 15 marked as exception. Now refresh, reset, right click, set next stage, and you can see here 24 records have been deleted from queues, from all the queues. Now you can see, refresh, and now in this one we don't have any items in our queues, both queues are empty now. So by this way we can delete all the processed item from all the queues, and also we can delete processed item from any specific queue. So you have learned these things today in this video. I hope this is useful. If so, then please like this video and please subscribe this channel if you have not subscribed yet. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thanks.